Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use 4X for Ford F150. Engage 4H for slippery roads by slowing to a safe speed and switching controls per the owner manual. Use 4L only when fully stopped and in neutral to climb steep hills or get out of deep mud. Disengage 4X4 when pavement traction returns to avoid drivetrain binding and monitor dash lights for proper engagement. For highway and mild off-road conditions, use 4H to gain traction without sacrificing speed. Shift smoothly while moving at low speed if your truck supports shift on the fly, and always follow the dash indicators to confirm engagement. Remember that 4H helps control wheel slip but does not improve braking distances, so leave extra space and drive more cautiously on slick surfaces. If you are finding this useful, please subscribe and like to support more how-to content. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading vehicle manuals, guidebooks, and maps when you are out on the trail. It is lightweight, easy to read in bright sun, and stores hundreds of titles. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When terrain gets extreme, 4L gives you low-range torque for controlled power and slow crawling. Bring the truck to a full stop, put the transmission in neutral, then engage 4L and return to gear before releasing the brake. Use a low gear and engine braking on descents to maintain control and avoid sudden throttle inputs that could break traction or overstress the drivetrain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.